Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you how to create a professional triptych split panel print using Adobe Photoshop. This technique is perfect for turning one stunning landscape or portrait image into a high-end wall art display composed of 3 individual panels. It is a fantastic way to elevate your interior design or photography portfolio. If this video helps you master your printing workflow, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more creative Photoshop tips. Let us get started. First off, launch Adobe Photoshop and open your desired high-resolution image. It is crucial to start with a high-quality file to ensure your prints remain sharp when split across 3 separate panels. Once your image is loaded, go to the top menu bar and select View, then click on New Guide Layout. In the dialog box that appears, set the number of columns to 3. If you want a physical gap between your prints, you can set a small gutter, perhaps 50 pixels, but for a seamless fit, you can leave it at 0. You will now see your image perfectly divided by vertical guides into 3 equal sections. Next, grab the rectangular marquee tool by pressing the M key on your keyboard. Carefully outline the first panel section, guided by your newly created lines. With the selection active, press Ctrl+J on your keyboard or Command+J on a Mac to copy that section onto its very own layer. Repeat this exact process for the second and third panels. You should now have 3 separate layers in your Layers panel, each containing 1 slice of your original image. Now that we have our sections, it is time to export them for printing. Hide the visibility of the primary layer and 2 of your panel layers so that only 1 panel is visible on your canvas. Go to File, then select Save a Copy, and choose your format, such as high-quality JPEG or PNG. Repeat this for the other 2 layers until you have 3 individual image files saved on your computer. These are now ready to be sent to professional print labs or your home printer. Taking the time to handle this process correctly ensures that your triptych looks deliberate and professional. Once you have saved your files, you are all set. Mastering this simple workflow can save a fortune in custom framing and print costs. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more professional photo editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.